Hello, hello everybody. Isomers are those compounds which have same chemical formula but having different structures. Therefore, they called isomers. Isomers are maybe structural isomers, maybe stereoisomers. In case of structural isomers, maybe positional isomers and maybe called constitutional isomers. They have same chemical formula but having different maybe functional group, maybe position of functional groups are different. Therefore, called positional isomerisms. And in case of stereoisomerisms, the different groups having different arrangement in three-dimensional space, like optical isomerism, geometrical isomerism, and conformation. In case of optical isomers are those compounds which have chirality, means all four groups of center chiral carbon atoms are different, maybe COOH, AHOH, and other kinds of CH2OH. When all four groups are all valencies are satisfied by different groups, then it is called chiral, and they have neither any elements of symmetry, and they rotate plane polarized light in different way, either maybe right side rotate or maybe left side rotate. Therefore, they may act as dextrorotatory and maybe levorotatory in nature. Okay. And they once more thing here is enantiomerism. Enantiomers, so the mixture of equal concentration of dextro and levo rotatory of the compounds are called enantiomers. Okay. And one more thing is the distereoisomers. Distereoisomers are those compounds which have not mirror image to each other. They are called distereoisomers. And the second thing is geometrical isomerism. Geometrical isomerisms are those compounds which have double bond in between two carbon atoms. Maybe other types of maybe. So therefore, the free rotation of the carbon bond, single bond, is not occurred due to it is hindered by pi bond cloud. Therefore, only two types of orientations are possible, can be possible. One, when both same groups are arranged in same phase, then it is called cis, and when same groups are arranged in anti-position, then it is called transform. And in conformation is the phenomena where atoms are freely rotate through single bond, like ethane, methane, propane, cyclopropane, cyclohexane. They are showing conformation phenomena, and it is in case of ethane, the rotational energy is very low. Therefore, they are freely rotate at a normal room temperature, and various conformers are formed, like eclipsed, maybe skew, and maybe staggered. So this is all about of various types of isomerism. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.